said that they dropped a sandwich? It was someone over here. Who said that? Was it you? All right. Hope you're a good catch. It's a Shmimprov bottle opener! Yay! Because that was worth it, just them doing that forever. Because apparently that's the only way to communicate. You drop a sandwich. All right. So you guys are in the Amazon. I'm going to give the microphone to Diana, and she's going to provide the sound effect. This is Foley Artist. After a warm round of applause!
Hey, Stephen. What do you see? I see a lot of trees. What is she, the monkey? Look at that monkey. Look at how effeminate it is. Wow, I have not seen a gay monkey. Look, it has long eyelashes. They're batting them at you. Listen to them bat. They are very long. Feel them from here. Oh, it's a nice relief from this humidity. Let's take a step closer. Beware. The leaves are very crunchy. And squishy. And very quiet at the same time. They are very complex leaves. They are like... Oh, look at that creature! Oh, it is a house puma! I've never seen one up close! Yes, I think I should try and touch it. Oh! On second thought, no! No! They are very ferocious. What's getting closer? You know what I'll do? What? I'll purr at it. I will come to stroke you. No, I'm done with purring. I don't like it, but look, it's gone away. Goodbye. But how will we cross the Amazon River? The wind! We will fly on the wind! Of course! We will get giant banana leaves and make a hang glider! Yes! We've chopped down the banana tree! I'm
Thank you.